In this video, you will learn how to insert an image in Photoshop. First, open up Adobe Photoshop on your desktop or laptop. You'll see the familiar workspace where all the magic happens. To insert an image, click on File located at the top left corner of your screen. This opens a drop-down menu with several options. Next, select Open. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to navigate through your computer files. Navigate to the folder where your desired image is stored. Once you find it, double-click on that image file. And just like that, the image is now inserted into your project. There's another method for inserting images that can be quite useful, using Place Embedded. This method allows for more flexibility when working with layers and resizing. Again, click File, then select Place Embedded. Just as before, a dialog box will pop up. Navigate back to where your chosen image is located. Double-click on the file you want to insert. Now that the image is inserted using either method, you have full control over its placement and size. To move the image around, simply click and drag it into position within your canvas until it's exactly where you want it. To resize the image, hover over one of the corners until you see a diagonal arrow. Click and drag inward or outward while holding down the Shift key to maintain its proportions. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.